This is gonna be an espresso martini, which is my favorite cocktail. First, fill your shaker with ice. So we're gonna start with the vanilla vodka, a little bit of agave tequila coffee liqueur, and I also have a Kona coffee liqueur. It wouldn't be an espresso martini without the espresso, so we're gonna do an ounce of that. And shake it really good. These are chocolate covered espresso beans. Put 3 in each cocktail. One's gonna be for health, the other for wealth, and the last for happiness.
So it is a tequila-based drink. Today we chose Casamigos Blanco tequila. We used 1.5 ounces, an ounce of Aperol, we used 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/4 ounce of agave. And there you have it.